Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaron with U-Haul. On a lot of trailer wiring installations, it's required to run a power wire from your trailer wiring to your vehicle's battery. That way you can power it up. Now, your kits will come with power wires included, but they're very basic, even though they do their job. But here at U-Haul, we have an exclusive fused power wire lead. Now, this has some enhanced features to help you with your install. Let's take a closer look. Now, our U-Haul exclusive power wire has a length of 20 feet, so it can encompass the length of almost any vehicle you need to install this on. Now, our main feature on this is the protective loom that comes across most of our wire. Now, our loom helps give it heat resistance and adds abrasion resistance to help with your install. Now, on one end of our wiring, we have a provided terminal. This terminal, compared to other wires, just plugs into our fuse holder, so you don't have to worry about stripping and butt connecting your wire, saving you time on your install. Now, on our fuse holder and on our terminal, you'll see that we have these rubber seals. Now, these seals will just plug in, helping create a weatherproof connection, making sure that your wiring will be safe in your engine compartment. Once you have your power wire into your engine compartment, it's really easy to install. All you have to do is attach your fuse holder to the positive terminal on your battery, plug in your terminal, and plug in your required fuse for your trailer wiring. This will give you short protection for anything wrong that can happen with your wiring, and then seal it with the provided cap. With your power wire installed, it gives you an OE design, which gives you a clean and professional look with your install. If you have any questions about installing this, you can follow our guide that's going to come up here on the top of our video. Now, that wraps up our review for our U-Haul exclusive power wire. If you have any questions about this, or if you'd like to add one to your reservation or pick one up for your future install, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.